In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Steam library with friends. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Steam desktop app on your computer and that it's up to date. We'll use Steam's family feature, which is designed to let you safely share eligible games with people you trust. Keep in mind that not every title is shareable, and there can be restrictions on who can play what and when, depending on the game and Steam's rules. To start, open the Steam app. Look to the top left corner of the window for the Steam menu. Click that to open the main app menu. This is your control center for account and application settings. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you configure everything from downloads to privacy, and it's where the family options live. If the settings window doesn't appear right away, give it a second. Sometimes the first load can take a moment. Inside Settings, find and click Family in the left-hand sidebar. The Family section is dedicated to managing Steam families and sharing permissions. You'll use this space to create your sharing group and manage who can access your library. Next, choose Create or Join a Steam family. This opens the Family Hub, where you can either join an existing family you were invited to or start one yourself. Since we're setting up sharing, you'll initiate the setup from here. Select Create a Family. This tells Steam you want to start a new family group, which is required to share your library with others. After this, Steam will guide you through inviting people who will be part of your family. When prompted, enter your friend's name. Type your friend's Steam account name carefully and look for the correct profile in the results. Steam will handle the invite process from here. Once your friend accepts the invitation on their end, they'll gain access to eligible games in your library through the family system. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Each person plays using their own account, keeps their own achievements and cloud saves, and any purchases they make stay with them. Some games might not be shareable due to publisher restrictions, and availability can vary, so that's normal. If you ever need to change who has access, return to the family section in settings to manage your family members. And that's it. By following these clicks into Steam menu, Settings, Family, Create C or Join a Steam family, create a family, and entering your friend's name, you can share your Steam library securely and conveniently. Enjoy playing and sharing responsibly.